Hi, my name is Bianca and I'm going to be showing you guys my new Mermaid Waver tool and how I use it, and we're going to get right into it, so let's go. I chose to have a waver in my collection just because I've always loved the look that a waver gives. It's one of my staples, so I had to put it in my collection and I cannot wait for you guys to try it. I'm super excited. So my Mermaid Waver goes up to 390 degrees, but you can adjust right here. Depending on your hair type, you want to adjust the little dial. And also, you guys, this gives you a really nice volume. It just gives your hair a really nice shine. You know, if you want to look like a mermaid, this is your girl right here. And it's pink. Yeah, we love the color. So I'm gonna be going in with my Mermaid Waver and showing you guys how I use it. It is the same soft touch material as my other tools. It's comfortable in the hand, and then it also has this so you can set it on your table without burning anything. And then I'm gonna show you guys how far down I go, because you do not wanna burn your scalp, because you will. We're just gonna go about right there, a couple inches from the scalp, and just let it down. Hold it for a little bit, hold it for a few seconds, keep going down. I am so obsessed with these waves. This is what it looks like. And then obviously you can, like, I already did the rest of my hair, but you can kind of make it messy, or you can try to like make it all kind of look the same. I like the more messy look, so mine are kind of like, you know, all over the place, but you guys can use it however you want. Whenever I wave my hair like this, you guys always ask, here she is. Also, you guys, this baby right here is gonna add a lot of volume to your hair because you are waving obviously your whole head, and it's just gonna give your hair that, you know, voluminous, really pretty look. So this color right here is one of my favorite colors like ever. When we were coming up with the collection and I was like, I want this color, like this color. Honestly, I think it took like at least 6 months, if not longer, to get the color right. I was like, nope, that's not it, that's not it. And then finally they got it and I was like, oh my god, that's it. Like, we have it, it's the color. Also, I really love that all the tools have the soft touch, all of them do. And I love that even the little handle right here, it has the soft touch right there as well, which I think is super cool. And it's just very sleek and cute looking. My tools are made for all hair types, so all of you guys can enjoy them. Stay tuned because I'm gonna be using these tools in my lives. We're gonna be doing hair tutorials, so I'm super excited. Get yours so you guys can follow along with my tutorials. So my tools are now available for pre-order on sutrabeauty.com, so make sure you guys go get yours right now before they sell out. These are my babies right here, all 3 of them. I'm so excited. I am the first influencer that Sutra Beauty has collabed with, so that is super special. And we worked really hard on these, and I know that you guys are gonna love them just as much as I do, and I can't wait to see all your looks. And follow me if you wanna more hair tutorials. Let me know if there's anything specific you guys wanna see with them, and I'm just super excited. I cannot wait. I can't wait.